Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to customize product images appearance of WooCommerce store using the Essential Addons in Elementor. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure that your Essential Addons, Elementor, Templately and WooCommerce plugin is activated and your WooCommerce store is set up. Navigate to Essential Addons in the WordPress dashboard menu, choose Elements tab. Then scroll down to the WooCommerce Elements section. Here, toggle on button of Woo Product Images to activate this element and hit Save Settings button. Let's see how to create a WooCommerce product page template with the Essential Addons Woo Product Images widget and customize it. For that, hover on Templately menu and select Theme Builder. Go to the Product single tab to edit or click on the Add New Template button. Here, select Elementor as your builder. From the drop-down choose Product single template type. Then add a template name and hit the Create Template button to create a single product template page. In the single product template page, design it how you want it to look and search Woo Product Images in the widget library search bar. Drag and drop the widget where you want to place it. In the Content tab, customize your product images by choosing Image Resolution, Effects, Toggle button to show or hide pagination, set number of thumb items, its position, navigation, loop and more settings. Go to Style to customize the appearance of your product images. Choose your image's text color, background color, border type, spacing, image pop-up size, gap and other settings. Now, switch to Advanced tab, and fine-tune product images appearance by adjusting margin, padding and more advanced settings. Hit the Publish button. In the pop-up, click on the Add New Condition button to determine your template to display as a single product page. Choose Include, set Singular, then Product and hit the Save and Close button to save your new settings. Let's have a look at how your product images would look on your customized single product page using Essential Addons. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to get more videos like this one.